At Linear Plastics, we're very proud of having made this factory purpose-built for our needs. We needed an equipment supplier that would take the same pride and attention to detail as ourselves and would partner us in creating a prosperous moulding business well into the future. Integrated manufacturing is key for us. Because we focus on our customers, we think in terms of efficient production cells for their needs, complete with automation, materials handling, materials recycling, and, not least, moulding machinery and moulding controls. It therefore makes sense for us to choose equipment that is modular, that has been designed to fit and work together as a single unit. Wittmann Battenfeld fits that bill. Wittmann automation has been key. Not only can we achieve perfect consistency and repeatability, we are also able to upskill the human contribution for more creative and versatile activities. It's great to have a 1,000-ton machine on site. It allows us to offer increased capacity and capabilities for all our customers. The evolution in the Wittmann machinery range, with the smart power and macro power, has been very impressive. The integrated control and manufacturing options now put Linear in pole position to take advantage of everything that Industry 4.0 has to offer and to create the self-sustaining factory of the future. To be fair, we also like the one-stop shop approach very much. We practice it with Wittmann Battenfeld and also with our own customers who drive everything from product design support, prototyping and toolmaking, moulding, and right the way through final assembly, packaging and shipping. Service is a key differentiator in our market, and for that reason we provide our customers with technical support and service right through a project. We expect and receive the same from Wittmann Battenfeld UK. Our partnership thrives upon it and looks likely to do so well into the future.